What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Quick video here. I am doing a cleaning process on my LG ThinQ washing machine here. I'm using a product called A-Fresh. I've used this in the past with some other washers that I have owned or have rented, but just letting you guys know what I do to sanitize and clean my washing machine. So this is something that you guys should be doing at least on a monthly basis to keep your machine running properly and keep them clean, because they are just like vacuums. They're doing a job for you that's keeping your household clean, and in this case keeping your clothes that you wear clean, bedding, etc. So you do have to clean these as well. A lot of people go without and neglect the cleaning process of an actual washing machine, but this is just something that's very easy to do, especially if you have clean settings on your newer style washing machine. So you just throw a tablet in there, and for me, sometimes I'll throw some Lysol in there and give it about 10 to 20 minutes and then give it a wipe down. So this is something you can do as well if you don't want to go the wash your tablet route, but I do recommend going the wash your tablet route after you do some Lysol. So I just got done using the Lysol, wiping the whole thing down, wiping out the crevices, and then the last thing here obviously is you do need to clean your filters out on your washing machines as well, especially if it has a filter. For this ThinQ, the filter is located right down here. Let's see if I can show you guys. Right down there, it's just a little pull out, and you unscrew the filter, you clean it, and then you put it back in. But for this clean cycle for the LG ThinQ, I am basically going to put my washing machine on tub clean. And then I'm going to throw one of these pods in here that I got ready to go right here. Just like that, toss it on in there. And then we're going to go tub clean. So we're just going to close this here. Something that I do recommend using as your actual laundry detergent to keep your machine running good as well, throwing good stuff in there, good detergent in there, and getting away from that stuff, is I made a couple Earth Breeze videos for you guys about this stuff. If you're looking to try this stuff out and get away from the bottles, this stuff works pretty decently. You need a little bit more extra oomph to get out the hard stains, in which I've tested and found out. So if you're looking for that information, make sure you watch the videos that I made for this Earth Breeze and pre-treating. But other than that, my main use for laundry detergent is now the Dawn dish soap to pre-treat. And yes, I know there's some chemicals in Dawn, but for me and what I do and the stains that I have, oil stains, grass stains, mud stains, etc., I just found that the Dawn works pretty good in getting everything out for me and what I do and use it for. But then the actual main detergent is the Borax and the Arm & Hammer. But going back to the cleaning process here of the washing machine, A-Fresh washing machine cleaner tablet is inside there. Have my machine on tub clean. All we're going to do is press the start button there. It's going to do its thing. Once it's done there, come back, check it out. I'll let you guys know the results of it and how good of a job I think it did. Okay, bringing you guys back in. Our tub clean cycle has ended. Haven't even opened this up yet before making the video. So we're opening the door here. Got a little condensation on the door there. But opening this thing up and doing some smelling here, and it smells very sanitary, I will say that. So I'm really liking that I used the Lysol first and then let it sit in here for 20 minutes and then wiped it down, because I can still smell a little bit of the Lysol smell in here. And it's just like it has that hospital cleanliness kind of smell and effect to it. That's what it's giving me right now. And so all clear, nice and shiny on the inside. Obviously you can't really tell with the darkness of the video here, but it's clean, and I like the way it looks, like the way it smells right now. Got a lot of wiped this area out beforehand, before making the video, like I said, when I wiped it out with the Lysol. But overall, great cleaning product here. I'll leave this in the description below for you guys to check out if you're looking for washing machine cleaner tablets. or if you haven't used them ever for the first time, check them out, try them out. I guarantee you guys will be impressed, and you will do your machine a good service, especially without you doing a lot of elbow grease and wiping yourselves. So this is something that is highly required for you guys to do. If you didn't know, now you know. Keep your machines running longer so you don't have to go out and buy $2,000 worth of machines to continue cleaning your clothes. Keep the ones you have running in proper order. So you do have to do some maintenance on them, and I will show you how to do them. If you guys have any questions about any type of maintenance on your machines, let me know down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's free to do, and I'd greatly appreciate it.